Topic is respiration and breathing. First, you differentiate the respiration and breathing. In the respiration, that is a cellular process. Breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen inside the cell, that is called respiration. So that process takes place in mitochondria and form energy in the form of ATP. So that is called respiration. In breathing, that is a physical process when we taking oxygen and CO2 from the atmosphere with the help of lungs. So that is a differentiation. Respiration is divided into two types, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic respiration means in the presence of oxygen, that oxygen is there. So in the presence of oxygen, glucose is break down and form CO2, water and 38 ATP. How many ATP? 38 ATP that take place in mitochondria. Anaerobic respiration in the absence of oxygen. There is no oxygen is present. So glucose is break down in the absence of oxygen that form ethyl alcohol. Very important. Ethyl alcohol, CO2 and only 2 ATP. So in the multicellular organism and aerobic respiration is more sufficient because more ATP is generated. The yeast and bacteria, there is only 2 ATP is formed. So that is also used in alcohol industry and bread industry. Another is anaerobic respiration that take place in muscle cell. Glucose is break down in the lack of oxygen that form lactic acid. During the time of vigorous exercise and rapid exercise, we require more amount of oxygen. But when sufficient oxygen is not present for the cell, then this form the lactic acid, and this lactic acid is accumulate into the muscles and called muscular pain or muscular fatigue. So that is only form 2 ATP. So that is very important points. Next we move to the breathing. Like we discussed, breathing is a physical process. So breathing containing two steps, inspiration and expiration. What is mean of inspiration? In the inspiration, taking oxygen into the lungs. That is inspiration. And expiration, release out CO2 rich air from the lungs. That is called expiration. When oxygen is reached into the lungs, there is a lungs alveoli. That is a smaller sac-like structure which oxygen is diffused into the blood and transport. Then this oxygen used by the cell by the cellular respiration and generate CO2. This CO2 released out by expiration. So that is it today topic. You see all the things carefully. Thank you.